Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to cancel scheduled meeting in Outlook. So if you have scheduled any meeting and you want to cancel or reschedule, so how to do it? First, what you have to do, just log in your account, okay, and open it. So when you open it, here you will see many options here at the sidebar, okay, but you have to just click on this calendar options. So when you click on the calendar option, now you have to go to the date when you schedule the meeting. Okay, so I schedule the meeting here. So now you have to click on this, okay, click on this. So when you click on this, here you will see many options: edit option and delete option. So if you want to reschedule, just click on edit and you can reschedule from here. But if you want to discard it or cancel the meeting, just click on discard. Okay, so what you have to do is just click on delete. So when you click on delete, here you will see delete event. Are you sure you want to delete this event? Just click on delete. So like this you can delete. If you want to undo, just click on undo. So like this you can delete or cancel a scheduled meeting in Outlook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.